gonna be this one.
Parking. Going down.
Looks like they even took out all the old Montgomery plates that used to be on these elevators. I would say they replaced all the inside doors. That's A through D. And they took out the old seal that used to be in the middle. Oh, we're gonna get people on board now. I already did my cab view, so.
Level 1, baggage claim and transportation. Going up.
That was weird. Well, probably someone called it. We want to be getting people on the way up. Or maybe not. We're gonna get off this time at 7.
Level 9, parking. Going down.
So then we're gonna get off at 7.
Level 7, parking.